Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to find the area of compound shapes. A compound shape is just two shapes or more that have just been stuck together. Okay, so we're going to have a look at this one here. Now I can see this consists of two rectangles. I'm going to call them the blue rectangle and the red rectangle. Okay. Now the red rectangle, I can see it is 5 centimeters tall and 3 centimeters wide. So I'm going to say that's 3 times 5, which is 15 centimeters squared. Okay, and the blue rectangle is 8 centimeters wide and 2 centimeters tall. So that's 2 times 8, which is 16 centimeters squared. And to find my total area, I just add the two of them up, which gives me 31 centimeters squared, and that is my answer. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Okay, so again, we have like an L shape. I'm going to draw two rectangles, so I'm going to say I'm going to find the area of the blue one, and I'm going to find the area of the red one. Okay, let's start with the blue one first of all, because that's the easier one. I can see that it is 3 centimeters wide and 7 centimeters tall. So 7 times by 3 is 21 centimeters squared. Okay, the red one, however, I know it's 2 centimeters tall, so I'll write 2 here. It's not actually 6 centimeters because the length from here to here is 6 centimeters, not just from this point. Okay, but what I do know is that because from here to here is 3, that must mean that the last bit is also 3, because 3 plus 3 gives me the 6. So I can say that this must be 3 centimeters. So the area of this rectangle is 2 times 3, which is 6 centimeters squared. Then all I do is add those two answers together, which gives me 27 centimeters squared. And that's my answer. For this last question, what I want to do is I want to find the area of the shaded region, so the grey bit. Okay. So what I've got is I've got a grey box, and it is 5 centimeters tall and 6 centimeters wide. So 5 times 6 equals 30 centimeters squared. Okay, but I've got this white hole in the middle that I need to take away really, and it's 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So I'm going to do 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters squared. And to find the area of the grey bit, it's really the difference between those two. So we need to do 30 take away 9. So 30 take away 9 is 21, and that's 21 centimeters squared. Okay guys, so there's an introduction to compound shapes for you, areas. All the best now. Good luck.